Hello everyone, my name is Puri Vega and today I'm going to explain about procedure text. This is my midterm presentation for the English Education Department. Let's get started. A procedure text is a kind of text that gives us instruction on how to do something step by step. The purpose is to help us complete a task correctly and in order. We can easily find procedure text in our daily life. For example, in recipes, instruction manuals, or online tutorials. The main purpose of a procedure text is to give clear and simple guidance on how to do something. It helps the reader or listener follow the correct steps from the beginning until the end, so the text can be completed successfully. Procedure text usually have some special characteristics. First, they are written in chronological order. Second, they often use specific and technical vocabulary, especially when explaining something detailed. They also use illustration or pictures to make the step clear. And most of the time, they are written in the present tense. The structure of a procedure text has three parts. The first part is the goal, which tells us what we want to do or make. The second part is the materials, which tells us what we need. And the last part is the steps, which explain the process in order from the beginning to the end. For example, if the title is How to Make Toast, the goal is to make toast. The materials are bread, toaster, and butter, and the steps will be explained in sequence. A procedure text also has some specific language features. First, it uses imperative sentences, like cut the pepper or stir the soup. These are common sentences. Second, it uses action verbs, such as boil, mix, or press. Then, it often uses sequencing words such as first, next, after that, and finally. We also use adverbs like slowly, gently, or carefully to explain how the action should be done. And overall, procedure text is written in the simple present tense. Now, I will give you a simple example of a procedure text. How to make a cup of tea. The goal is to prepare a cup of tea. The materials we need are 1 take bag, hot water, sugar, a cup, and a spoon. The steps are: first, boil the water, then put the tea bag into the cup. After that, pour the hot water. Next, add sugar as you like. Then, stir the tea well. Finally, remove the tea bag and your tea is ready to drink. Procedure text can be found almost everywhere in daily life. For example, in cooking recipes, science experiment steps, computer or phones manuals, and even in medical instructions. They help us do many different things by giving us step-by-step direction. Procedure texts are important because they guide us to do something correctly and safely. They make complicated texts easier to understand. They also reduce mistakes because the instructions are clear. In education, procedure texts help improve reading and writing skills, especially in academic or technical writing. To conclude, a procedure text is a useful kind of text that tells us how to do something through clear, ordered steps. It has a goal, a list of materials, and a series of instructions. We use it all the time in everyday life. I hope this presentation helped you understand more about procedure text. Thank you so much for your attention.